16 girls lining up for this one. No qualifying races in the 2000 steeplechase, so a straight final. Shania Grant of Hydel, Donnell Fraser of Veer Technical, Sakila Wilby of Hydel, Chevelle White, Alphonsus Davis, Kamisha Gordon, Homewood Technical, Ashanti Parks of Alpha, Brianna Morris of Edwin Allen, SUSHANA Johnson, the favorite, also for Edwin Allen, Baby Lindo of Homewood Technical, Tashalee Palmer of St. Jago, Tedrania Palmer of Alpha, Ashana Bonnick of the Queen's School, and Kimoya Dennis of Immaculate. Haley Brown, Immaculate, Dennis of Oberlin, and Rachel Martin of St. Catherine also in this field. 16 ladies for this final. Stretched across the backstretch. The start of finals Friday. 2000 steeplechase girls, followed by 2000 steeplechase boys, followed by open 400 hurdles girls, followed by class 2 boys, ending with the class 1 boys 400 hurdles. They get ready, locked in focus. Brianna Morris, 263, the shorter of the two Edwin Allen athletes. The favorite, SUSHANA Johnson, 2 in this field from Hydel. Very dangerous, like so many of the Hydel team members haven't necessarily ran fast this season, but they have the pedigree and they have shown up. Knew it would be difficult to challenge this Edwin Allen outfit, and Edwin Allen still lead champs, but Hydel really putting up a fine fight. Taking a while to get this race going. The girls eager to get started, no doubt, for the final of the 2000 steeplechase.
Yeah, Ricardo, it's clear that Hydel took the approach to do a lot more work behind the scenes in training, showing up to fewer competitions this season, but showing up to champs with quality performances across the board, across disciplines. And this 2000 meter steeplechase, we expect nonetheless similar strength from Hydel, with Grant and Wilby representing them in this final. So 2 from Hydel, 2 from Edwin Allen in Morris and Johnson, 2 from Homewood Technical, Gordon and Baby Lindo,
2 from Immaculate,
Dennis and Brown, the Queen's School
with 1, just Bonnick,
Oberlin
with 1, St. Jago 1, Alpha 2,
Palmer and Parks, stronger competitor, one to watch in this race.
Yeah, the girls line up again, looking as if the starters are having some issues with their equipment.
Well, there's no issues with the blocks here. No blocks needed for the 2000 meter steeplechase.
Well,
just a few barriers and a water jump.
Final of the 2000 steeplechase open for girls.
So 4 barriers placed around the track.
We are running significantly behind.
Water jump.
Yeah, this race was scheduled to start at 8:43. We are now at 8:58, so 15 minutes behind. This race should be finished about 8 minutes or so ago. The boys are making their way out for the 2000 steeplechase final, and the girls have not contested their event yet. And I thought the machine had started working. There is still a slight hold up. Looks as if we're finally going to get the start. 2000 Steeplechase Open Final. The meet record 6 minutes 52.82, set last year by Taifa Gao of Haidel.
And just another delay here again.
Well, this is unfortunate. Many fans have already left the National Stadium. Not what you want to see on a Champs Friday. And maybe, just maybe, we'll have to start having that conversation again. I personally love the schedule for the athletes, Daniel Dowie, but there is the other side of the conversation about how it impacts the product that is Champs and how it impacts the Friday, which is the day that most of the fans can come in, because it is the start of the weekend and the students are not going to school on Saturday morning, and so they can come in from school hours, but ideally they want to get out of here by the latest 8:30, 9 o'clock, and the Friday session goes all the way to 10 o'clock, so it's not the most spectator friendly Friday schedule. I will be the first to admit that I have been in favor of this schedule. Off-shotted the triple jump. Sabrina Atkinson of Haidel has taken the lead. Last we saw her, she moved into third position with her 12.06. She's now in the 12.30s. And has the lead told you she had the potential to win that event? Zavine Bernard now second, but it's a big event for Haidel because they're now 1 and 2. So seems to be an issue with the starter system. And Sabrina Atkinson, 12 meters now, leading that triple jump competition. Zavine Bernard in second with 12.32. That came in round number 5, and they are in the 6th and final round in that competition. Edwin Allen, Zakalia Brown finishing in third at 12.17, or in third with 12.17. And the starters now trying to get their equipment ready so that we can have action in the 2000 steeplechase. Maybe we need to go to the old whistle to get this race underway. It is a long distance race after all.
Well, they want the electronic timing to submit to World Athletics.
And the fans want to see action. Hopefully it will be sorted out in short order. The Haidel girls are going back and forth in the triple jump. It's a big event for them. They get the 1-2, which is exactly what the doctor ordered for them.
It's been a while since those ladies have run off and took some strides. They've been standing there for a few minutes now, and it is quite cool now that the sun is down and we're well into the night.
And believe it, Zavine Bernard has won the competition with her final jump. It's not for the first time today. We've seen that. It's been a dramatic day in the field events.
So it looks like we have the clear now.
Indeed we do. 2000 Steeplechase Open Final for girls. The meet record 6 minutes 52.82, set last year 2025 by Taifa Gao of Haidel. The story of this race is the favorite, SUSHANA Johnson, as Bonnick of the Queen's School goes down. She'll have some time to try and get back into this one. But SUSHANA Johnson is the story of this race. It has to be some sort of a record that this is the 5th consecutive year that she is contesting the steeplechase. She has won 2 silver medals and 1 bronze medal in this event. She also has a 4th place finish from 2023. And although she has dedicated her high school career to this event, she does not have a gold medal. She is the defending champion in the 3,000 steeplechase, or in the 3,000 meters, apologies. But at 2,000 steeplechase, she is searching for her first gold medal. Could tonight be the night? And Bonnick has gone down again from the Queen's School, and I think that will be that for her, unfortunately. Or is it? No, she's back up and running. That is ridiculous.
Oh my goodness.
Sensational stuff here.
Valiant effort from Bonnick, down twice and gets up again, tries to give a go at it. SUSHANA Johnson of Edwin Allen, the fastest girl over 2,000 meter steeplechase this season, 7 minutes 05, her best. It's a matter now, will the rest of the field try to go with her? Still very early stages of this race, but she is the favorite, and she's run faster than this field by over a minute for most of the competitors in this field.
Her personal best of 6 minutes 55 was set in the Champs final last year. Back-to-back years she lost to Taifa Gao of Heidel, but she comes in as the overwhelming favorite this time around. Edwin Allen hoping to respond to the 1-2 by Heidel in the Triple Jump Open with a 1-2 of their own in this final, with Brianna Morris now in 2nd position. 2 Heidel girls in this final. Also in there from Veer Technical is Donnell Fraser, the 5th fastest this season, has run just outside 8 minutes at 8 minutes 04.70. But SUSHANA Johnson, what a career she's had. She has won some 7 Champs medals, one of them at 1,500 meters, 3 of them in this event, the 2,000 steeplechase, and another 3 at 3,000 meters. And she is trying to win that elusive gold medal over the 2,000 steeplechase here tonight. As Daniel pointed out, she's had a fantastic season to this point, the fastest this year at 7:05.51. Did that by winning the Central Championships. Had a 7:19.90 to her credit as well at the Central Hurdles and Relays. But we know from last season she is capable of going under 7 minutes, and maybe with Taifa Gao gone and she doesn't have the opportunity to defeat her, she will be going after her record, which is 6 minutes 52.82 seconds.
I think she's set herself up over these first 2 laps, so she could possibly, depending on the pace and the conditions, be looking at chasing that record.
Yeah, under 2 laps to go for SUSHANA Johnson of Edwin Allen, a double silver medalist at the Carifta Games last year. 1,500 meters and 3,000 meters. No steeplechase at the Carifta Games, of course. Will be heading back there this year. Lost to a Shara Freighter, her countrywoman, in the 3,000. She'll be heading back there this year to Grenada, hoping to get that gold medal. But she would love to start the gold medal train tonight, and she is well on her way. SUSHANA Johnson, she has taken this race away from the rest of the field very early. And the question now will be whether her teammate Brianna Morris can hold on to the silver medal. She is in silver medal position, well off your shot, as SUSHANA Johnson continues to lead, and it looks as if we have an athlete down by the water jump. Might be the Veer Technical athlete, Donnell Fraser. We'll try and get confirmation of that shortly. It is Donnell Fraser who is down and out of the race as SUSHANA Johnson starts her lapping mission. She is coming up to the final lap to go. And it appears to me that she is on record pace at this stage. SUSHANA Johnson with 1 lap to go, 5:34 at the bell. SUSHANA Johnson needs 1 minute and 17 seconds to remove the champ's record held by Taifa Gao, her longtime rival.
So that is certainly within reach, but nice and easy stride. This is the final lap, and there is no one in distance to push her. So this is going to be a lonely road around the remaining barriers. She has another water jump to clear, and then a final barrier in the home straightaway.
SUSHANA Johnson of Edwin Allen going for steeplechase glory. So often she's been the bridesmaid. Is this the night? It certainly looks as if it is the night that she will be the queen of this event. In 2021, as a Class 3 athlete, she won bronze over 1,500 meters. In 2022, she had 2 bronze medals in the steeplechase and in the 3,000 meters. In 2023, she was outside the medals, finishing 4th in the steeplechase. In 2024, she finished 2nd to Taifa Gao in the steeplechase and 3rd in the 3,000. And last year, she won the 3,000 but had to settle for 2nd in the steeplechase to Taifa Gao. Now she is pressing. She won't get the record, but finally, she strikes gold in the event she's dedicated her high school career to. SUSHANA Johnson is at last, in the 5th time of trying, the 2000 steeplechase champion. It has been a long journey to this night, but she gets it done at last. And now Brianna Morris is in 2nd position. Looks like Chevelle White of Alphonsus Davis, who holds 3rd position at this stage. Brianna Morris, 2nd fastest this season, holding 2nd position. Chevelle White is trying to close her down. Could be a battle for the silver medal, but it looks as if Morris is clear and safe. It's an Edwin Allen 1-2. They respond to the Heidel 1-2 in the triple jump. Brianna Morris gets silver, and Chevelle White is a champs medalist again. She has bronze in the 2000 steeplechase.
No surprise there for Johnson. Came in as the fastest girl in high school over this event. Her teammate Morrison, the other athlete who's gone below 8 minutes, gets the silver. Johnson and Morris, the quinella for Edwin Allen.
This must feel good. I know she must have wanted to get the better of Taifa Gao. Didn't happen over the last 2 seasons. Gao from Heidel now gone, and SUSHANA Johnson rises to the top of the podium. Doesn't go sub 7 minutes like she did in last year's final, but she didn't need to. 2 alpha girls in the final, and it seems as if they will get at least one of them to score.
No yellow flags up, but some of these athletes certainly breaking some of the rules here in clearing these barriers.
In the final, and that's Ashanti Parks, who was 9th last year, incidentally. Immaculate. They are trying to finish in the top 4. They are pushing for a top 3 finish actually at Champs 2026. Ashanti Parks will score this time for Alpha. St. Catherine with Rochelle Martin.
So the medical team have to stay very close by for this race. Lots of hazards. You can clear the barriers by jumping over them, stepping on them, but your hands should not touch the barriers. And I've seen a few hands helping the athletes over.
The boys 2000 steeplechase final to come. Followed by the 400 hurdles finals to close the show. The boys steeplechase final scheduled for 9:13 p.m. We've hit 9:13 18 as Oberlin's Carissa Dennis makes her way to the finish line. And I think she is the final competitor. So they won't be too far behind when they start the 2000 Steeplechase final for boys. But SUSHANA Johnson realized her high school long dream of being a 2000 Steeplechase winner. And now she can hunt the double. Something she's never had the opportunity to do before. The 3000 winner last year, but remember the 3000 comes after the Steeplechase. She now has the Steeplechase crown, and come tomorrow will go for the 3000 crown, where she will start favorite again.